I'm Dawn from Cabin Creek Stitchery. Thanks for joining me in my quilting studio today. I am here with my Quilting Pro 24 and getting a chance to do a custom quilt. I've been working on the back part here doing a pantograph and just got to the point of running out of my bobbin, and so it's time to change that. And I just thought that I would get a chance to show you a little bit of what goes into working with the quilt, and knowing that each customer that I have who decides to send a quilt to me, I feel so honored and appreciative of it. It's fun for me to get to share what happens in the studio, and that is a part that happens for the process. I send emails, we have phone calls, we design together, and it just feels like a lot of fun. Getting to connect with the project and the person and why it's special, because no matter what your level of quilting or your experience, the quilt is special to you, and you've put in time and money and sweat and sometimes time with your seam ripper to unquilt and unstitch something, which is never the fun part. And so because it's important to you, it's important to me. And I thank you for getting a chance to come into the studio with me and get to see my space and work with me a little bit. As I'm changing, what I'm doing now is varying the threads. So the bobbin ran out, it means the thread was here. So it's just important to have that detail, and that's that level of detail I try to put into each of the quilts. So I know that when I was first starting, I was really hesitant of all my mistakes and my errors. And you know what, we're human, it happens. And so often people say to me, well, you know, don't look at this mistake, or it wasn't perfect. I'm not looking for perfect. It's so fun just to share in your project, help you to get to see it to completion. Be with the fabrics. I laugh because I know someone's going to comment that my outfit matches again. And in all honesty, I guess I'm just in that connection part. Blues are my favorite. This is a beautiful collection of laundry quilt fabrics that was in this project, and there's so much more that's going to happen with this. So keep following along. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for Cabin Creek Stitchery, and get a chance to see this project and more of it. Just getting to be in the studio and how I like to connect with my quilting friends and collaborate together. So thanks so much and have an awesome day.